Hi, dear students. Welcome to Vipin Sharma Physics class. Today I'm going to teach you the first topic related to the concept of physics called units and dimension. Dear students, the concept of unit is what you know. What is unit? First of all, I will explain the concept. हम आपको इसका कॉन्सेप्ट एक्सप्लेन करते हैं. अगर आपने डे टू डे लाइफ के अंदर कोई भी फिजिकल क्वांटिटी को मेजर करना है, अब आप पूछेंगे सर ये फिजिकल क्वांटिटी क्या होती है? फिजिकल क्वांटिटी is that quantity which is defined in terms of certain laws. Physical quantity is that quantity which is defined in terms of certain laws. अब आप पूछेंगे सर what do you mean by that certain laws? जैसे mass is a physical quantity which is defined in terms of certain laws. That quantity of matter contained in a body, that is a physical quantity, and when you talk about the current is a physical quantity. The rate of continuous flow of charge with respect to time is a physical quantity. Time is what the clock reads. Displacement is a physical quantity. It is the shortest distance between the 2 points. So dear students, physical quantity को मेजर करने के लिए हमें यूनिट चाहिए. तो यूनिट इज द स्टैंडर्ड मेजरमेंट ऑफ ए फिजिकल क्वांटिटी. अब इसका कॉन्सेप्ट समझो. मान लीजिए आप मार्केट में जाते हो और आपको बोला जाता है कि जाओ भाई मार्केट से कुछ से शुगर परचेज करके लाओ. तो जब आप शॉपकीपर के पास जाएंगे, करियाना शॉप में जाएंगे, तो आप उसको बोलेंगे कि सर हमें कुछ चीनी दे दो. बोलेगा यार कुछ चीनी का मतलब क्या है? सर हमें कुछ चीनी दे दो. फॉलो? अब वो क्या देगा आपको? बोलेगा भैया कुछ में कितना. जब वो बात आती है ना कितना, तो वहां पर यूनिट की नॉलेज उभर आती है. जब आप बोलोगे 1 किलोग्राम, 2 किलोग्राम, 5 किलोग्राम, तो वहां पर एक एग्जैक्ट क्वांटिटी ऑफ मैटर यानी कि मास आप परचेज कर रहे हो. वो एक स्टैंडर्ड है 5 किलोग्राम, 1 किलोग्राम. तो आप कहीं भी वर्ल्ड में जाओगे तो 1 किलोग्राम विल बी स्टैंडर्ड मास इक्वल टू 1000 ग्राम. So dear students, in day-to-day life, we need unit. It is the standard measurement of a physical quantity. How's it? So, अब आती है बात, what is physical quantity? वो standard measurement हो गया. अब फिजिकल क्वांटिटी जो है ना, वो दो तरह की होती है. that is of two types. The first is fundamental quantity. Fundamental quantity. Fundamental quantities are those quantities which cannot be further subdivided. अब in mechanics हम लोग थ्री फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटीज की बात करते हैं, मास, लेंथ, time. Mass, length, time. These are called fundamental quantities. Fundamental quantities are those quantities which cannot be further subdivided. Hope it is clear. Fundamental quantities are those quantities which cannot be further subdivided. Right? एक होती है derived quantities. Which one? Derived quantities. Derived quantities are those quantities which are obtained from fundamental quantity, like velocity. So velocity is what? Displacement upon time. तो ये क्या है? Derived quantity. Acceleration. You talk about acceleration. That is velocity upon time. ये भी क्या है? Derived quantity. So physical quantities are of two types. One is fundamental quantity. In mechanics, we have got three types of fundamental quantities: mass, length, and time. And derived quantities are those quantities which are obtained from fundamental quantity. तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ये एक सिंपल सा लेक्चर है, आप इसके नोट्स बना सकते हो पॉज करके, प्ले करके. थैंक यू. दिस इज लेक्चर नंबर 1, यूनिट्स एंड डायमेंशन. सो unit is the standard measurement of a physical quantity. Physical quantity is that quantity which can be expressed in terms of certain laws. There are two types of physical quantities. One is called fundamental quantity, another is called derived quantity. Fundamental quantities are those quantities which cannot be further subdivided. In mechanics, there are three fundamental quantities: mass, length, and time. And derived quantities are those quantities which are obtained from fundamental quantity. Right? So, this is the lecture number 1, a concept on units and dimension, 10+1, a basic concept. Thank you. Stay connected in the second video where I will teach you fundamental equation of unit. Bye-bye.